Hey there, everybody. Today is Monday, July the 31st, 2023, about 7:09 in the morning. As you can hear, it's a little bit loud here behind me. It's rush hour, of course. And what I'm about to do for you and with you is another RV park resort where we've been staying. I'll go ahead and give you right now that we have been here since June the 1st. As I said, today's July 31st. We're leaving today and heading off to another locale. But let me go ahead and start this here for you. Alright, so on this sign right here, you can see they got a fence along this, but this is called 12th Park RV Resort. And hopefully that's coming through on this video there. And that wall looks exactly the same over there. This is your entrance off of Raymond Stolzer Parkway here. That's what this road is called. And here you get your first look at the RV park. So when you come in this place for your very first time, just to orient you, when you come right here, of course, you can go left or right. Looking down that way is the right. And you can see there's several empty spaces here in the summer. Still quite a few people here. But what you'll want to do when you come in here is you'll want to go left in order to get to the office to do your check-in. So come into the main gate there. That's the only one, so you can't miss it. But you'll come right here. Now this one here is a new addition. This wasn't here a day or two ago. So that's been empty, and these several here have been empty for many weeks. That one there came in about a week or so ago. But anyway, like I said, we've been here for 2 months, and this park cost, my wife's going to pay, so I know it's, I think it's $500 a month for our 30 amp spot. We do have a pull through, and I'll show that to you later. But see, when you come in that first street I just showed you, then you have a second one right here. But if you just keep coming down this way, you'll see that see there's cars in front of some of these, and a lot of these you'll see that there's no vehicles. See, just like those two right there, that one there, and a bunch of others. What this is, because of course College Station is a big school town, Texas A&M, obviously. A lot of the residents here are kids that go to school. Well, they're gone home right now. It's in the summertime, of course, being July, but sometime next month in August they will be back, and this place I'm sure will crowd up a whole lot. They've been working on that little pool thing right over there ever since we've been here and before. And back there in the distance you can see a volleyball net. I've never ever seen anybody play that. But right here, if you're on this side of the park, there's a dumpster here, pretty much in the equal section on the far part down there, which isn't very far. That is where the other one is at. So because we live on this side, that's the dumpster that we used here. Now right down there you can see is the end, and it just goes around. And I'll show you a little bit of that. You do get Wi-Fi here, and it is pretty decent. You know, it's your typical speeds in RV parks, but I mean, you can stream stuff. We do it, and have any problems with it. The woman that runs this place is really nice. Now right up here in front of us, what you're looking at, this is where the laundry room is, all the way down there on the left, and it's just a couple of washers and dryers. In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll show it to you. These other 4 doors here, these are all bathrooms / showers rooms, and well, 2 of them are showers. These 2 here, those 2 there are bathrooms, and that's the door to get in here. So let me open this up for you. They got key codes on everything. And here you go. See, it's just very small in here. A couple of washers and dryers, like I said, and then just a little table right there, and they got a chair. And I mean, this is it. So you can see this one's $1.50. This one's $1. That one says out of order, and that one is $2. So that's what you get for that. So anyway, what they have down here is the office. So, you know, you would park right down there. I guess I forgot to point that out. You'd pull your RV right there before that dumpster I just showed you, and then just come here to the office to do your check-in. And right here, you can see it says closed, but it's a clubhouse, and it's got the same keypad for security here. And you can see it's kind of dark in here. I guess this is coming through. See, those say fan, flood and light, outside light, do not touch. Interesting, okay. I thought there was a light switch in here somewhere. But anyway, I'll just show you. They have a pool table here. It's free, doesn't cost you anything to play. It's kind of a crooked table though. So, you know, we played it a couple times, but that was it, honestly. And then they have this, I didn't know the name of this, but you know what I'm talking about. These kind of heavy metal things here. Go down like that, and I'm no good at that. As you can see, that went off. But they have places to sit here. You see here, they have these tables. That cool little Texas thing. Here, just to give you a view out the window. You can see right through here. There's that volleyball net right there. With this place, you can get mail, you can get packages. Trust me, we've done both. So ever since we've been here for these 2 months, that's very good. Here's their park rules, points of interest and things. And you can see a basic map of the park right there. They have a little popcorn machine, but I know that's never worked. They do give you free coffee here, and in fact, you see this mug. When you come here, they'll give you a couple of free mugs. And, you know, they are regular, you know, porcelain type mugs there. And there's some stirrers and things. They even will give you free pens right here. There's a microwave, a refrigerator. But over here, I know it's hard to see because I don't know where the lights are at. But these are mailboxes here. And ours is all the way right there. Hard to see, I know, but we're number 77. We don't have any mail. And if you get packages, typically they'll be on this little table. And you see, you can even send mail from here. But they got these couches, some magazines and things around. And they got that TV up there that you can watch. The remote's right there. If you feel like just coming in here, sitting in air conditioning and watching, you can do that. So overall, it's fairly decent. And, you know, this is about the only amenity here right now. But it is a good one, and it is secure. All right, so that's our spot right over there. So you can see we're right across from this clubhouse area. And you see that guy there, he came in maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, something like that. And we kind of consistently keep a different neighbor where we're at, right there beside us. These have consistently been empty ever since we've been here. But anyway, there's one of their Wi-Fi towers up there. And as you look throughout this park, there's several small ones, you know, on various poles. So like I said, the internet here is not bad at all. Quiet, let me tell you that. This place has been we've been here 2 months, as I've said, and it's very, very quiet. We've never had any noise, no fighting people, nobody even talking loud, or, you know, drunken parties, nothing else. And I don't think they put up with much here, but the lady that works here and kind of runs everything, she's really nice. She'll send you alerts. I mean, man, probably a month and a half ago, we were not even here. We were out about 60, 70 miles away, and we were actually on our way back, and she happened to send out a text and let us know that a major storm was coming in, and to be careful. When you get packages, she will text you and let you know, hey, you have a package here, and you know, so you can go and pick it up anytime. Means she don't push you. It's just very nice. Anyway, when we look all the way up here, And if you go just a little bit to the right there, that's where the entrance is, right up there. So if you were to come in and go to your right, you would just come right down here. Right up there is 5 empty spots. Those were full up until about maybe a week or so ago, but one by one they all left. And then there's a couple right down here that's empty. Those have never had anybody in since we've been here. That one right there is empty. This one's empty. And then they have this little cabin here. And so the row we just walked down was the row that we're staying at and have been. And then, so I'll just show you and try to keep the sun from blinding you too much. Yeah, there was somebody here. So they just very recently left in both of these. So people are leaving. This summer heat has been crazy here. I guess that's another thing I'll cover for you here. We'll walk down this last aisle, and this is it. And in fact, our trailer's down here as well on the left. But anyway, this summer, and this is probably pretty typical for Texas, but it has been 100+ degrees every day, pretty much since we've been here. The first few days of June, I think there was a little bit of a break in the 90s, but after that, we started getting really hot. And then by June 15th, there were extreme heat warnings every single day. They did that for like 10 days, and then they just quit giving them, but the temperatures never changed. It gets 100 or greater, typically greater. You can look for the real temperatures to be 102 to 107 or so, with heat indexes we have seen as high as 117 degrees. So it has been very, very hot. Fortunately, we have air conditioning, and it's been working very well here. And so I've appreciated that. But as far as a park, I mean, if you have any kind of thing or business to do in the College Station, Bryan area, that this is a good park to stay in. Here's at the end of the road that we're in, and that one's been empty actually for a while. It seems like when people do come here, they're here for 1 or 2 nights, and then they leave from that one. And that one's been empty, I know, for a while. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this overview of this park. Just to show you, there's Wi-Fi up there. And like I said, they got a number of those throughout here. So you'll get decent. I mean, the speed ain't gonna blow you away, but you can stream things, and you can watch YouTube videos. I do it every day. And get your email and web browse and all the other typical stuff that people will do. So yeah, I highly recommend this place. I have nothing bad to say about the park itself. It's truly been great. And but we're moving on because we're going to be doing some babysitting for our granddaughter next month for a couple of weeks, and so we're moving closer down to them. And so we'll be at a new RV park. So in a month, I'll be bringing you another RV review. And so that's going to close this one out. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, give it the old thumbs up and comment and share it and like it, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. You know the drill. All right, take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next one.